ATV riders with hard luggage needs will find Quad Boss has a size and style for every use. The Quad Boss Traveler Trunk comes standard with a rear parking and brake light, cushioned seat for resting on the trail, and cargo lids that open from the rear to keep the lid from coming open while trailering in case you forget to lock it. The Quad Boss Weekender also has a cushioned seat, opens from the rear of the box, and sports room for a gas container or an ice chest. For a larger, continuous storage area, the Quad Boss Backcountry Trunk is available with or without rails. The model with rails includes a deluxe cushion and cargo mesh in the lid for more storage opportunities. The Quad Boss Front Trunk easily attaches to your ATV, and an optional windshield is available. The Quad Boss Rear Rest Trunk is lockable with seat cushions, while the Quad Boss Rear Wrap Trunk is lockable with a foam backrest. The Quad Boss Duo Rear Luggage has 2 locking compartments and a soft foam cushion. The Quad Boss Sit and Store Rear Box combines lockable armrest storage with a larger capacity. The Quad Boss Rear Rack Lounger offers a drain plug in the rear storage compartment and additional weather resistance. If cargo boxes are what you're looking for, the Quad Boss Front Rack and Rear ATV cargo boxes have a scratch-resistant finish and plenty of space. The front box even accepts the Quad Boss Windshield Kit. To see more about what hard luggage is right for how you use your ATV, go to quadboss.com.